Okay, hello everyone. This is Richard Wu from Taiwan, and today we are going to teach Chinese. But today's topic is a little bit different because today we're not just talk about Chinese. We also want to talk about a topic about Islam and Muslim. Hello, Ali. It's very nice to see you here. And today I'm going to talk about Urdu to Chinese. And today's topic is very special. Today I'm going to talk about teaching some words about Muslim. Hello, Behram. About Muslim, Islam, and Allah's topic. So today's mission is a little different and very sacred and holy. So today I want to invite one of my friends from Pakistan. Hello, Lee Alice, and to help me to translate my Chinese into Urdu. Okay, so I'll translate it into. Maybe I don't have to do that. So right now I'll bring Behram online. Hello, Habib. Oh, you're going live, right? So why you're here right now? But I'm happy to see you here. Chinese again? Yeah, actually today's topic is Chinese, but Urdu Chinese, okay? So I'll ask Behram to translate my Chinese into Urdu, and today's topic is about Allah, and I want to teach some Chinese words about Allah, Islam, and Muslim. So today's topic is a little bit different because today is Sunday. We have to teach something different, okay? So Behram, I'll bring you on, and hopefully I can bring you on. Okay, so today's topic is about Allah, Muslim, and Islam, and I want to teach some Chinese words about that. And I don't know why, Behram. Can you? Can I bring you on? Okay, so hello, Behram. Can you hear me?
Hello, Behram. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Islam. I'm doing so great.
I'm doing so great.
Yeah, let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started.
Yeah, Queen's
Yeah,
China.
Queen's China.
很好。
很好。
Okay, so Behram, let's
Okay,
talk
so
about
let's talk about
words about
words about Allah
and
Yes.
Islam.
and
I teach some words about this in Chinese, and you help me to translate that into Urdu. Okay?
about this in Chinese, and you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'll switch my
Okay, so
camera.
let's get started. Okay, so I'll switch my camera.
Okay, so right now let's
Okay, so right now let's learn something.
Okay, can you hear me, Behram?
Can you hear me, Behram?
Yeah.
Okay, so right
Okay,
now
so right now I'll
wait a second.
wait a second.
Okay, so please
Okay,
follow me.
so
Okay,
please follow me. Okay.
我
我
我
信
信
Okay.
我
is I.
我 is I.
Okay, so
Okay, so
我
我
means
means
okay.
okay.
，Yeah.
信
我信
信
信
means
Yeah.
believe.
信 means believe.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's like
Okay, so it's like I
believe in.
believe in.
Okay,
Okay,
我
Yeah.
信
我
信。
信我
Okay, can you translate that?
Okay, can you translate that?
Yeah, why not? पाकिस्तानी भाइयों अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरा नाम
You
बहराम
should
खान
speak a
है
little bit
You
loud.
should speak a little bit loud.
Yeah. Assalam. You can this time my voice is clear.
Yeah, okay. Please go on.
Please go on.
Okay. अस्सलाम वालेकुम पाकिस्तानी भाइयों मेरा नाम बहराम खान है और इस वक्त आज हम चाइनीज़ ज़ुबान सिखा रहे हैं और आज कुछ लफ्ज़ होंगे कुरान के मुतालिक अल्लाह के मुतालिक और आज हम ट्रांसलेट करेंगे चाइनीज़ में कि कुरान को क्या कहते हैं चाइनीज़ में अल्लाह को कैसे कहते हैं चाइनीज़ में और मेरे साथ इस वक्त हैं रिचर्ड सर। तो सबसे पहला हमारा लफ्ज़ जो है वो शिन यानी कि मुझे यकीन है मैं यकीन करता हूँ वो का मतलब मैं, शिन मतलब यकीन, मैं यकीन करता हूँ. Yes sir.
Okay, so once again, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So let's go on. This is very important. Okay, this is very important and sacred word. So let's learn. First of all,
Yeah.
let's learn 真主,真主.
Zhen Zhu.
It's very hard to pronounce. So let's write. Let's get the word once again. 真
Zhen Zhu.
主,真主.
Zhen Zhu.
Okay, 真主 means the Lord. The Lord.
The
Okay.
Lord.
Okay, the next one. Important, sacred, holy word.
Yeah.
Allah.
Allah.
Allah means Allah. Allah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Allah. Allah.
Like in Chinese, the pronunciation is Allah.
Allah.
You're right, that's very correct. But this one is very hard to pronounce. Your pronunciation. Practice it more.
Yeah. Your voice is not clear.
Okay. 真主.
Zhen Zhu.
Again. 真主.
Zhen Zhu.
Okay, good. Okay, the Lord Allah. The Lord Allah. 真
Zhen
主
Zhu. Zhen
Allah.
Zhu. Zhen Zhu. Allah.
Let's do it again. 真主 Allah.
Zhen Zhu. Allah.
So can you like 真主?
Can I translate that in Urdu?
Yes, please.
Okay. पाकिस्तानी भाइयों, अगर आप चाइना में किसी को, चाइनीज ज़बान में किसी को कहना चाहते हैं कि मेरा खुदा अल्लाह है, मैं अल्लाह पर यकीन करता हूँ, तो आपने ये मेरा खुदा अल्लाह, सिर्फ इसका जो जुमला है मेरा खुदा अल्लाह, इसको आप उर्दू में, चाइनीज में कैसे ट्रांसलेट करेंगे? जन चू. चू चू पे जरा जोर लगाना है. आला यानी कि आला, अल्लाह, हम अल्लाह बोलते हैं, ये आला बोलते हैं. आला. जन चू. आला मेरा खुदा अल्लाह. यस सर. Yeah. Yeah. Your voice is not clear, sir.
Okay, how about now?
No.
Okay, so I will. Okay, viewers and watchers, today's topic is Chinese food, and today's topic about Allah, Islam and Muslim. Okay. How about my voice right now?
This time is good. Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, good. So right now, I switch my camera.
Yeah.
So Behram, let's repeat the 4 words again, because this is very sacred and holy word. So we try it again, okay? Because it is a little bit hard to pronounce. So Behram, this is try it hard to pronounce.
Yeah.
Okay. 真主.
Yeah.
真主.
Zhen Chu.
Again. 真主.
Zhen Chu.
Allah.
Allah.
Very good. Okay. Okay. Let's read the 4 words together. And
Yeah.
that means the Lord Allah.
Yeah.
Okay. 真主 Allah.
Allah.
真主 Allah.
Again. 真主 Again. 真主 Allah.
真主 Allah.
And of course, sometimes we say Allah. Sometimes we say Allah.
Yeah.
So in Chinese, it's the same. In Chinese, it's the same. You can just say Allah.
Allah.
That's right. So we combine the two usage together.
Yeah.
And that means I believe in the Lord Allah. Okay. The Lord Allah. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's like 我信真主阿拉。
我信真主 Allah.
Very good. Let's do it again. 我信真主阿拉。
真主 Allah.
Very good. Your pronunciation is good. And that means I believe in the Lord Allah.
Yeah.
And actually, Behram, please translate that. 我信真主阿拉。Please you translate that into Urdu.
Okay, sir. So, पाकिस्तानी भाइयों, अगर आप चाइनीज़ ज़ुबान में किसी को कहना चाहते हैं कि मैं अपने खुदा अल्लाह पे यकीन करता हूँ, मेरा खुदा अल्लाह है, तो इसका पूरा जो जुमला होगा वो ऐसा है कि ज़न चू आला वो शिन ज़न चू आला, यानी कि मैं अल्लाह पे यकीन करता हूँ, मेरा खुदा अल्लाह है. Yes, sir.
Okay, and right now let me explain that a little bit. Okay, especially the two words. Okay, 真 in Chinese means the real. Okay, real. And right now let me explain that a little bit. Okay, especially the two words.
Yeah.
Okay, real. The real.
Yeah.
真 means the real. Okay. 主 means the real. Okay.
Yeah.
主 means no.
Yeah.
So actually, 真主 means the real Lord.
Yeah.
Okay, like only one. Real one.
Yeah.
Real Lord. The real Lord. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you explain that?
Yeah, okay. So, पाकिस्तानी भाइयों, ज़न चू का मतलब है यानी कि मेरा या आपको उर्दू में कैसे ट्रांसलेट करें इसको, मेरा सच्चा ज़न चू मेरा सच्चा खुदा, ज़न चू मेरा सच्चा खुदा, आला मेरा सच्चा खुदा अल्लाह है. यानी कि पूरा जुमला है वो शिन ज़न चू आला, मेरा यकीनी खुदा, मैं अपने खुदा अल्लाह पे यकीन करता हूँ, या मेरा यकीनी खुदा अल्लाह है. Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's the way we say in Chinese. How to say I believe in Allah. That's the way we said it in Chinese.
Yeah.
And this sentence is very sacred. Maybe we can say that very often. Okay. Let's go on. Okay. Then. Okay.
Yeah.
The next word. Okay.
Yeah.
In Islam, right? Islam.
Yeah.
And in Chinese, that's similar. That's Islam.
Yeah.
Islam. Okay. Can you read it?
Islam.
Okay. Again.
Islam.
Good. Okay. Let's read it again. Okay. Okay. Are you with me right now? Okay.
Yeah.
Islam.
Islam.
Yeah. Hello. Okay. Again, because your connection is not that good.
Okay.
Let's talk about the English first.
Yeah.
Islam.
Islam.
And then Islam. Lan.
伊斯兰
Very good. Very good. 教. 教.
教
Jiao, okay,
name
in Chinese, Jiao means religion. Religion. Okay, religion. Okay, religion. Yeah, so it's like Islam religion.
yeah
Okay, so we read the full word all together.
yeah
Okay, okay.
yeah
伊斯兰教. Hello? Yeah. 伊斯兰教. Okay, 伊斯兰教. Whoa, Behran's connection is not that good, but it's okay. So viewers and watchers, you can practice how to read that with me. Okay. 教 again. 伊斯兰教. Okay, Behram is offline right now. Maybe I'll invite him again, but okay, but that's okay. I'll continue to do this. Okay. 伊斯兰教. Okay. 伊斯兰教. Okay, it's like, but in Chinese we have to add one more word, that is 教. And 教 means religion, and that's the way we say it in Chinese. 教 means religion. So it's not just about Islam. It's not just about Islam. It's like a different cultures. It's different religions. We also add the word 教 in different kind of religions. Okay. So Behram, are you with me right now?
yeah
Okay, so let's talk about this word because that is your religion, and this is a very holy, sacred religion, and
yeah
I also I respect your religion very much. So that's the reason why I want to teach you that. Okay, Islam
yeah
and 伊斯兰教，伊斯兰
伊斯
教。
兰教
Again, we read it slowly. Okay, 伊斯
yeah
兰教。
伊斯兰教
Very good. 伊斯兰教。
伊斯兰教
And we have some other ways to say Islam, but why I
yeah
choose this one? Because this one is easier for you to remember. Okay, so that's the reason why I
yeah
this to you guys. This one is easier for you to learn. We have the other way to say Islam, but the other way is a little bit hard. Okay, so let's read it again. 伊斯兰教.
伊斯兰教
Okay, can you translate that into Urdu?
या हाँ तो पाकिस्तानी भाइयों अगर आप किसी चाइनीज़ को कहना चाहते हैं चाइनीज़ ज़बान में कि मेरा मज़हब इस्लाम है तो आपने ये जुमले दोहराने हैं ई से लान जाओ जाओ का मतलब यहाँ पे है मज़हब ई से लान जाओ मेरा मज़हब इस्लाम है इसका मतलब ये है एक बार दोबारा दोहराता चलूँ ई से लान जाओ ई से लान जाओ मेरा मज़हब इस्लाम है यस सर
Okay, and some people just ask me, can I translate word by word? But actually, because in Chinese, that's just a translation from Islam. So actually,
या
this doesn't have any meaning. It doesn't have any meaning in this word. But I can tell you this word. This word is a kind of flower. We call it orchid. I don't know if you guys know the flower, orchid. Orchid. Okay, orchid. So whenever we Chinese people see this word, we will think about this kind of flower, and this is a very beautiful flower. So whenever, for example, whenever I see this word, I can feel that Islam religion is a very beautiful religion, just like this kind of flower, orchid, orchid. Okay, so uh, okay, so let's combine this to this. Okay, then we can create a Chinese sentence like this. Wait a second. Okay, I'll do that for you.
Wait a second, please. Okay, so let's do it together. Okay, how to say that again, Behrang? Do you remember that?
我信
Good, very good. 我信伊斯兰教. It's like I believe
我
in
信
Islam.
伊斯兰教
Very good. So that's not so difficult for you. 我信伊斯兰教. Okay, can you read it?
Yeah 我信伊斯兰教
Okay, you read this a little bit slowly. Okay, 我信
Okay
伊
sir
斯兰教.
我信伊斯兰教
That's right. Because some people may not speak in Chinese so fluently, so that's the reason why we speak that a little bit slowly. Okay, so
Yeah
that means I believe in Islam. I believe in Islam. Okay, can you translate it into Urdu?
या सो पाकिस्तानी भाइयों जैसा कि हमने कहा कि मेरा मज़हब इस्लाम है तो अगर आप चाइनीज़ ज़बान में किसी को कहना चाह रहे हैं कि मैं इस्लाम पर यकीन रखता हूँ मैं इस्लामी मज़हब पर यकीन रखता हूँ तो आपने ये जुमला ऐसे दोहराना है वो शिन जिस तरह आपने खुदा खुदा का कहा था कि मैं अपने खुदा अल्लाह पे यकीन करता हूँ सो यहाँ पे वो शिन ई से लान जाओ
Jiao,
मैं
not Jiao.
इस्लाम
Jiao.
या
Yeah. Hello? The connection is not so good today. Okay, viewers and watchers, and I read that for you. Means believe in, and 伊斯兰教 Islam means Islam. I'll read that a little bit slowly. Islam. Okay, 教. This word 教 in Chinese means religion. Okay, means religion. Islam, Islam, 伊斯 religion. 伊斯兰教。我信 I believe in 伊斯兰教 Islam religion. Okay, right now I'll bring Behram again. Okay, so today is a special topic for Muslim people. Also, we need to learn something about our religion because I really respect Muslim people. I really respect the religion you have, Islam. I really love your culture. I love your religion. That's the reason why. Let's teach something about that. Okay, so Behran, can you translate this into Urdu
ओके सर
again?
तो पाकिस्तानी भाइयों अगर आप किसी को कहना चाहते हैं कि चाइनीज़ ज़बान में कि मैं अपने मज़हब इस्लाम पर यकीन रखता हूँ तो आपने ये चाइनीज़ ज़बान में इस तरह कहना है वो शिन ई से लैन जाओ
Yeah,
जाओ
yeah.
वो शिन ई से लैन जाओ मैं अपने मज़हब इस्लाम पर यकीन रखता हूँ इसका मतलब ये है यस सर
Okay, so let's do some review here. Let's do some review here because I think I like this topic. So let's do some more practice here. Okay, I believe in the Lord Allah. So Behram, how do we say that in Chinese? I believe in the
वो
Lord Allah.
वो शिन ज़ेन चू आला
Very good. Okay, but I'll read that once. You guys can imitate my intonation and accent. Okay, 我信真主阿拉。
我信真主阿拉
Very good. Your accent is excellent. Okay, let's do it again. 我信真主阿拉。
我信真主阿拉，
Very good. And let's do the next one. 我信伊斯兰教。我信
我信
伊斯兰教。
我信伊斯兰教，
Yeah, very good. Let's do it again. 我信伊斯兰教。
我信伊斯兰教。
Okay, very good. Okay, so that's the way we talk about something about Allah and Islam. And I love these words. They are sacred words. They are holy words. And the last one, and
Yeah.
Let's do it together. Okay, let's read the two words first. 我是
Yeah.
我是
我是
我 What is 我? Bayron, do you know that? What
me.
is 我?
I.
Yeah, good. 我 means I. 是 means am. 是 means am. I am. 我是 I am. 我是 Okay, can you translate that into Urdu?
Yeah. So पाकिस्तानी भाइयों, अगर आप किसी को कहते हैं मैं, तारफ को कहते हैं मैं को कहते हैं अपने आप को, वो तारफ को जो कहते हैं वो यानी मेरा तारफ. Yes sir.
Okay, so let's continue. And this word is very important word because that's your identity. Okay, so we know that, right? We know this English word, Muslim, right? Muslim.
Yeah.
And in Chinese, the pronunciation is similar because that's a translation from English Muslim. So let's do it. 穆斯林
Muslim.
again. 穆斯林
Muslim.
Very good. Okay. Then we combine the two together. But first of all,
Yeah.
please translate it into Urdu. 穆斯林
Okay. So पाकिस्तानी भाइयों, मुसलमान यानी कि मुसलमान को इंग्लिश में मुस्लिम कहते हैं और चाइनीज में मुसलमान को मुसलिन कहते हैं. मुसलिन यानी कि मुसलमान. Yes sir.
Okay, then let's combine the two usages together. So that becomes I am Muslim. Okay, I am Muslim. 我 是 am Muslim. 穆斯林我
Yeah.
是穆斯林 That means I'm Muslim.
我
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
我是穆斯林.
Yeah, that means I believe in Allah, I believe in Islam, and I am Muslim. Okay, we
Yeah.
should be proud of that because your religion is so beautiful and Allah is so
Of course.
is the, yeah. Okay, so let's read it again. 我是穆
Yeah.
斯林.
我是穆斯林.
Yeah, that means I'm Muslim. Okay, can you translate that into Urdu?
Yeah. So पाकिस्तानी भाइयों, आज का हमारा जो आखिरी जुमला है वो ये है कि अगर आप किसी को चाइनीज़ ज़बान में कहते हैं कि मैं मुसलमान हूँ, तो आप इस तरह कहेंगे 我是穆斯林. 我是穆斯林. मैं मुसलमान हूँ. 我是穆斯林. Yes sir.
Okay, so that's today's lesson. But
And if you don't mind sir, today please you teach some Muslim for the Allah.
teach some Muslim for the Allah. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
A
Okay, I don't
little
know
bit. I don't disturb you more, just you a little bit teach some Muslim.
yeah about Allah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
about Allah.
yeah. Okay. So I'm not a Muslim. I don't know if I can say that, but
And why
actually,
not you say that?
okay. Actually, although I am not a Muslim, uh, I really respect your religion, and also, as you know that I'm reading Quran right now. So maybe next time, actually, I would like to find a day to talk about some topic about Islam, about Muslim culture, about Allah, because I know it's something like that. I really respect your religion, and I also hope to use your way, like in your culture, in your religion, to help people to teach some Chinese. So that's the reason why I want to do that in this way. Okay, so um, actually, I don't know why because recently I read Quran and I feel so calm in my heart. So although I'm not a Muslim, I still have some benefits from your holy Quran. Actually, I should say sometimes I should say my holy Quran because I'm reading it right now. So
Yeah, of
hopefully,
course this is your Holy Quran.
yeah, that's my holy Quran. So right now I shouldn't
Because
say
we are
teach.
the all Allah's people.
Yeah. So maybe right now I shouldn't say your Holy Quran. It's our Holy Quran. So and
Yeah,
actually, that's the way I'm thinking. It's like even a non-Muslim people like me would love to read Holy Quran, and hopefully I would want lots of Muslim people. Really, you really follow your religion. You really follow what Allah tells you to do, because you have a such beautiful and wonderful religion, and please, you people follow it. I know right nowadays, some Muslim people they really love like parties. They go after money, and slowly it's kind of like a little bit forget about Allah. A little bit they forget
yeah,
about Quran. And I personally really don't like that, because in my experience, I do love to read Quran. Actually, I read like 3 or 4 paragraphs. It's like sentence every day and feel so calm in my heart. I can feel that. I can feel the calm. I can feel the peace in my heart. So it's like I really suggest you, Muslim people, try your best to get close to your Allah, to get close to your Quran, to get close your own Muslim culture, because that is very important and valuable thing you have in your hands. Okay, so just don't go after the money all the time. Just don't go after the fame, go after the parties all the time. Think about something important and you already have, and treasure that, cherish that. That's something I want to say to you. And that's the reason why I really want to teach some words about Allah, the Lord Allah, and some words about Islam, Islam, because I really want you people, sometimes including me, I love that. Yeah, I really love that. So I hope Muslim people can think about that. You already have something so important, so valuable in your life. Please cherish it. Please, you love it. Don't get far away from it. Please get closer to your Allah. Get closer to your Holy Quran, because that is very important and valuable, and it's like everything. Talk about everything. And it's
yeah.
like I'm also trying to find the answer in my life in Quran. I don't know. I just want to try it. Maybe I can find my own answer in my life.
You
So,
finish the Quran, then you find
yeah.
answer.
Yeah, so that's something I'm doing right now. So it's like I really hope Muslim people can really think about it. Try to find try to find your own answer in your life in Quran, because surely you can find one, and you can find your own meaning in Quran. And also it's important. Allah creates people, and everyone has a very important purpose in your life. That's the reason why Allah creates you. So please respect your own culture and treasure your Allah and cherish Islam, and be a real Muslim. Okay, that's the reason why I want to teach some words about the Lord Allah, and some words about Islam, some words about Muslim, because I really love and respect your culture. Your culture is awesome. I like that. I love that. Okay, so that's something I want to share with you, and hopefully we get closer to Allah together. Okay, and
Inshallah.
yeah, and remember what Allah and what Quran said to you. That's important. Some people forget about that sometimes. Please don't. Please try your best to do whatever Quran Allah wants you to do. Okay, so that's your mission. That's everyone's mission in your life. Try to find it out. Try to find out your meaning in life. Try to find out your destination. Try to find out your goal in life. That is important. Okay? So, okay, Behron, thank you so very much for today's
Thank you,
help.
sir.
And yeah, and today your pronunciation in Chinese is really good. Maybe Allah helps you. Maybe that's
Inshallah.
Allah helps you.
Inshallah.
Seriously, Allah helps you. So
And
that's the
Allah
reason.
also help you. Allah also help you.
Yeah, thank you. And Allah helps you. That's the reason why your Chinese is so good today. Allah helps you today. Okay, so I'll talk to you later. Okay,
Yeah.
bye. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Allah.
Okay, so everyone, today's topic is a little bit special. And if you like, please practice more. And I really love today's lesson. And thank you so very much to give me such a great time to read this to to show how to connect Chinese, Urdu, Allah, Muslim, Islam together. I really like that. And that's my honor. That's my pleasure. Okay? Talk to you next time. Okay? See you. 再见.